Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are unlocking a new way to enjoy chicken wings. Garlic infused crispy chicken wings. The outside is beautifully golden and crispy, infused with rich garlic aroma, while the inside stays juicy and tender. Let's get started. Take 15 chicken wings and trim each wing into 2 parts. Now add 5 tablespoons of flour and rub it into the wings. The flour helps absorb any remaining blood. When the mixture starts feeling sticky, rinse the wings with water a couple of times until completely clean. Then pat them dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial. In a small bowl, add some scallions and ginger. Pour in 3 tablespoons of cooking wine and 1 teaspoon of salt. Squeeze the scallions and ginger firmly with your hands to release their juices. Then pour the mixture, along with the scallions and ginger, over the chicken wings. Next, add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon white pepper, a bit of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix everything well and let the wings marinate for 5 minutes. Take 20 garlic cloves and chop them into slightly larger garlic pieces than usual. Place them in a bowl with some water. Give them a rinse and drain. Now take the garlic water you just drained and add a small amount to the marinated chicken wings. This will enhance the garlic flavor, but don't add too much. Mix again and marinate for another 20 to 30 minutes. Next, we are going to dice up some green peppers, red peppers, and a bit of onion to add both flavors and color for this dish. Heat oil in the wok and add 2/3 of the chopped garlic. Fry on low heat until it turns lightly golden. Don't let it get too dark or it will taste bitter. Once it reaches the perfect golden hue, scoop it out and set it aside. Using the same oil, place the marinated chicken wings in the wok. Spread them out evenly and fry on high heat. Cook until the surface turns golden brown and gives off a delicious, toasty aroma. Then remove and drain the excess oil. In the same wok, without adding extra oil, add the remaining 1/3 of the chopped garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Then toss in the chopped green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and onion. Stir-fry everything over medium-low heat until aromatic. Now return the crispy chicken wings to the wok and season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir-fry everything until the flavors blend beautifully. Finally, turn off the heat and add the fried golden garlic back into the wok. Give it a quick toss. And we are ready to plate. Wow, look at that golden crust packed with garlicky goodness. Let me take the first bite. Wow, crispy on the outside and so juicy inside. The garlic flavor really hits. This is amazing. Go and give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.